Hey, good afternoon. Just a quick video for you today. My name's Francois. I'm the founder and chief medical exercise specialist with the Pain Clinic. And what I want to share with you is this. I have this really cool recipe, especially if you're looking for something a little bit different. And yes, this is plant-based, just give you the FYI right off the bat. But if you're looking for this, you can find this recipe at the Other Pain Clinic's website, theotherpainclinic.com. Look for blog, and I have all the contents for what you need to make this recipe. Also, if you want to have some kind of healthier recipes, something like what I'm sharing with you today, and especially when you're going, what can I have that's kind of healthy? And especially when the summertime is rolling around, what I do have coming up in the month of June, that's next month, is my 7-day summer flavors mini coaching series. Right. So it's kind of looking at 7 days. We're going to be looking at things that what you like to eat and what you don't, so you can have enjoyment in your meals, especially during summertime, and have more energy as well. So that's one of those key things in that 7 days. Plus, you'll have some recipes for sure, just like I'm sharing with you today, and also a shopping guide of what to get. So kind of cool, right? And if you're interested in that, send me a direct message and let me know that you're interested in the 7 days summer flavors mini coaching program, and just message me summertime and we'll go from there. All right, enjoy the recipe. Let me know what you think. Take care and have a great day, and see you in the next video.